Hello everybody, this is the Johnny Mayer, and this is my first audio log. Today is August 15th, 2012, and that date is significant in the sense that it commemorates my second week of Let's Playing. And I wanted to say thank you to everyone who has watched my videos so far, liked them, and also subscribed to my channel. You are one of the major reasons why I'm doing my videos in the first place, so without you guys, I wouldn't be doing this. I also wanted to kind of give back to the people who did subscribe to my channel in a particular way. And the idea that I came up with is what I'm going to call Subscriber Thank You Wednesdays. And so every other Wednesday, starting today, I'm going to pick a couple of my subscribers to feature box on my channel as a way, again, of saying thank you for being involved in my channel. And so I picked 3 particular subscribers for this next 2-week period because they've been especially helpful in terms of giving me a lot of feedback and commenting on a lot of my videos. So just who they are, well, you'll have to check out my channel and see. And the second thing I wanted to mention today was that I'm planning on actually starting a new Let's Play that I'm going to run concurrently with my Final Fantasy VI Advance Let's Play. And basically what I'm going to do is alternate posting videos. You know, I'll do a Final Fantasy video and then I'll start a video for that other Let's Play. And I plan on starting that next week. So some of you know what that new Let's Play is going to be, and some of you that might be a surprise. So hopefully you're excited for that. Again, thank you to everyone for watching. And if you have any feedback for me, please let me know. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.